You wish to make money online so you can spend more time with your family. You wish to make passive income because you wish to travel the world. You wish to make more money so you can provide a better life for yourself and your family. And this video can be a starting point of that life. And if you are thinking, well, I'm a beginner, I don't know anything about affiliate marketing. Don't worry, I'm going to show you a free software that will do everything for you. So even if you're a beginner, you can make money. So without further ado, let's start. Okay, so first thing we need to do, we need to write a short ebook. And if you're thinking, well, I'm not good at writing ebooks, don't worry, I'm going to show you a free software that will write that ebook for you. And the name of that free software is AnyWord. And here, when you click here on pricing, you can see that they actually have a free and a paid plans. Here you can see a free plan, and of course free plan have some limitations, but if you are just starting, then free plan is okay. So what you need to do, you need to click here on start for free and register for a free account. And when you come here you can see all the things that you can do with this web-based software. You can create Facebook ad headline, Facebook ad copies, Google ad copies, Google ad headlines, Pinterest ads, Twitter ads. You can create YouTube descriptions, YouTube video descriptions, YouTube titles, and so on and so on. You can do so many things automatically with this software. So even if you are a beginner, you can still use this software and you can still make money on internet with affiliate marketing. So when I close here, so what we actually need to do, we need to click here on Blog Wizard. And then click here on new blog post because we wish to create a short article. And this is actually the most important part of this software because here where it says describe the blog post you want to create, here we need to give them a details what we actually wish our blog post, our article to be about. So let's say I wish to promote product related to keto. So here I can say something like how to lose weight with keto diet. Okay, and here you need to choose topic or industry. As you can see, I have chosen weight loss because that is related to keto diet. Now here you don't need to do anything. So what you need to do, you simply need to click here on next. And here you need, as you can see, it is working. It is creating a title for my article. Just give it a few seconds. And here you can see how to start the keto diet and lose weight. And here you can see score. Now that is really important. Try to choose the title with the highest score. And here you can see they actually offer a few titles. And when I click here, write your own title instead, I can write my own title. So let's say I will use this first one because it has a score of 83. So I will click here, okay? And then just click here on next. And now it is creating outline of my article. And just wait a few seconds. As you can see, they already created a few outlines of my article. So I'm happy with this. All I have to do now is just click here on next. And now is creating an intro paragraph. Now intro paragraph is basically intro of my article. That is the paragraph that is going right underneath the title, okay? And here you can see again, score. Again, try to choose paragraph with the highest score. As you can see here, and you can actually change things. Just click here and I can change something if I want, but I don't want to change anything for the purpose of this video. So like I said, try to choose the intro with the highest score. So I will choose this one here and then click here again on next, okay? And now I need to click here, continue to editor, okay? Okay, click here on got it. And here I can see my paragraphs and what I need to do. And I can actually write these paragraphs by myself, but I don't want to do that. So what I can do, I can simply click here on generate and it will automatically generate this paragraph for me. Okay, and if I actually wish to write even more of this paragraph, I can still click here on continue and it will continue writing even more of this paragraph. Or you can actually write your own paragraph, as I said, and you can add your own keywords. As you can see, it writes even a longer paragraph. And I can do exactly the same thing for next paragraph. Just click here on generate and it will automatically generate another paragraph for me. And I can do that for all of these paragraphs here and I can create my entire article. So let me just do this quickly so I can actually speed this up. Okay, I have an entire article. As you can see here, this software wrote an entire article for me. So as you can see here, this article has 446 words. So what I need to do, I need to click here to copy this article. And then I need to go here on Google Documents and I need to paste that here. And you need to edit this a bit. So I will just make this a bit. I will edit it just a bit. As you can see here, I need to make a space between these lines here. And also I will actually make these sub-headlines to be bold. So let me just choose bold, okay, and this also will be bold, and this is the title, so I will also make that bold, but I will also make this to be, for example, 18, okay, and here I will actually make this to be also bold, and all of these sub-headlines to be bold, okay, just to make it stand out so they can actually be more readable. So now what we actually need to do, we now actually need to find products to promote. And we need to add our affiliate link in this article. So to find products that I wish to promote, I'm actually going to use Digistore24. So I'm here on Digistore24 Marketplace. And because I wish to promote keto related product, what I need to do, I need to click here on fitness and health. And I need to find these products here in this category. So you can go on first, second, third, fourth, fifth page of Marketplace and find the best products for you to promote. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, custom keto diet. Now here you can see I can make 32 euros on average per sale. So this is my Digistore24 affiliate link. So what I need to do, I simply need to copy this, okay? Control C, go back on Google document, and let's just say, for example, I will add my link here and I will say get your custom keto diet. And I'm actually going to make this bold, okay? Make it bold. Let me just see 13, and I will make this also to be 13. Okay, now it's 13. So I need to go back on Digistore24. I need to copy my link, my affiliate link, my Digistore24 affiliate link, and I need to highlight this, okay? Click this on little chain, paste that here, click apply, and I added my affiliate link. And I'm actually going to copy this, Control C, and I'm going to paste that here on the bottom as well, okay? And I added my call to action on 2 places in this short ebook. So what I need to do next is I actually need to click here on file, and then I need to click here download, and then I need to click here on PDF document. And I need to download this as a PDF document on my desktop. So now we need to start driving traffic to this ebook here where we added our affiliate link. And let me first show you potential of the website that we are going to use. Now, when you go on SimilarWeb, you will see that this website is getting 20 million visits every month. And when you scroll here, you will see that most of their visitors are actually coming from highly developed countries. So the website we are going to use is called Gumroad. Now, basically, this is a sales website. As you can see here, get from $0 to $1. And here you can see all the stuff that you can actually sell on this website. And when you actually go on pricing, you will see that this website is free, registration is free, and they will actually charge a fee every time you make a sale, which is great for beginners. And here you can see the more sales you make, the less fee you will pay. Now, after you register for a free account, you will come to your dashboard. And then what you need to do, you need to click here on products, and then you need to click here in upper right corner on new product because we wish to add a new product. So here we need to add a name, so I will simply go back on my Google document and I'm going to copy this, okay? And I'm going to paste that here. And here you can see type, digital product, course, ebook, and so on and so on. I will actually choose a digital product, okay? And here I will add a price. Price will be just $1 because my main goal is to actually promote my affiliate links that I added here so people can buy this course. So people can get their custom keto diet and I can make $32 per sale. So I will just add here $1. And then what I need to do, need to click here, next, customize, okay? That is the next step. And here I need to add a short description. So description should be a call to action so people can actually see, okay, I would like to read this ebook, and they will click to read your ebook. But like I said, for the purpose of this video, I am just going to copy and paste the intro. Okay, URL, I will leave it as it is. Cover image, now I need a cover image. You can easily create cover images in Canva. I already showed you how to do that. So I will just click here on upload image, computer file, external link, Unsplash. So I can simply use this, and this is the image that I created in Canva on a free account. So you can do this too. So give it a second. Okay, this is how it looks. As you can see, it looks pretty nice. It's not the best, but it is okay. Thumbnail, again, I can choose this, and I can choose Unsplash, okay? And here I can simply type keto, okay? Keto, and I can choose one of these images. So let me just choose this one here, keto diet. This is the image. Product info, call to action. When you click here, I want this, buy this, pay this. I will just leave it, I want this. Summary, again, I can simply copy this part here. Okay, I will just copy this part here. Okay, Control C. And I'm going to paste that here. Additional details, I don't need additional details. Pricing, $1. Like I said, leave it as a $1. Versions, I will leave it as it is. All these things, you don't need to do anything here. Just click here on Save Changes. Okay, and here click on Content. And this is really important because here we need to add our ebook that we are actually selling. Okay, so just click here to upload file. So computer files, and this is my ebook, and it is now uploading my ebook. And here on the right side you can see how my ad will actually look like, how entire ebook and sales page for my ebook will look like. Okay, this is how it look like. And then again, click here on Save Changes, and then just click here on Checkout. Okay, and here, okay, here you can see discount code. Now I don't need any discount code because it costs just $1, so I don't need discount code. Payment form, so just leave it as it is. Okay, and here you can see recipe, receipt, received. Okay, and here you can see button, view content. You can say something else, you can say whatever you want, and here you can see view content. So I will just leave it as a view content. So again, just click here on Save Changes, and what you need to do next, you need to click here on Publish because you wish to publish your ebook. Okay, and when you go here on Share, here you can see you can share this automatically right from Gumroad, on Twitter, on Facebook. You can copy the URL and you can promote the URL. Here you can see you can embed this. You can embed this on your website or whatever you want. You have here an embed code and stuff like that. Gumroad Discovery, and this is really important. Gumroad Discovery. As we saw, this website is getting 20 million visits per month. Now that is a good number of visits. So we actually wish to exploit this website to promote our ebook. So category, I will actually choose, for example, weight loss. Let me just see, do they have weight loss? Okay. Okay, fitness and health, weight loss. That is my category. And here I need to add tags. Now try to add as many tags as they actually allow you. So I will just say keto, okay, ketogenic diet, again keto, like I said, try to add as many tags as they allow you. Keto for beginners, okay, that is it for now, but like I said, add as many tags as you can. And just click here on Save Changes, and now your ebook will actually rank. So now people can actually find it on Gumroad and they can potentially buy your ebook. And like I said, it costs just $1, but it contains your affiliate link. And if they actually click here and they buy this product, you are going to earn an additional $32 per sale. And this is a tip for you. Here you can see you can promote your own book. And that is exactly what you need to do. You will actually get some traffic from Gumroad, but you should also promote your ebook on Twitter, on Facebook, on related forums, on Pinterest, on Instagram, on TikTok, wherever you can. Drive as much traffic as you can. And if nothing, you will earn this $1 per sale from Gumroad. And this is how my ebook actually look. This is how my sales page of this ebook look. As you can see here, this is the cover image of my book. This is the title of my book, price, my name here, 0 ratings because this is a new ebook. I just created this. This is the description, as you can see here, and this is the long description that I added. Okay, this is a summary of my ebook, and here you can see size 2 pages. And if someone actually click here on I want this and buy this ebook, I'm going to earn $1. And if they decide to click here on my affiliate link and buy this product as well, I'm going to earn additional $32. So this is how you do affiliate marketing as a beginner, and this is how you double your earnings. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.